So this is to show you what happened last night, Blizzard 2011. As you can see, there's piles and piles of snow everywhere, people trying to get their cars out of the parking spots. You see the kids playing in the snow, obviously. Weirdos. But, yep, every car here is either trapped or trying to get out of the parking spots. You look at the piles of snow here in my house. Over here. My windows. Our power went out last night. Can you believe that? It's unbelievable. Look at this. This is our whole entire neighborhood here. The kids playing in the snow. More kids. More kids. Look at this. All this. And you can even see the neighbor's driveway. It's freaking cold out here, people. I don't know if you can further see, but look at this. This is insane. Chicago weather for you. Unbelievable. Alright. This is just a quick show of what happened last night. And there's more snow to come, people, so brace yourselves. So those of you who live in warm climates, I hate you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright, everyone. Bye-bye.